Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Let's review the k sound. When we make the k sound, your tongue touches the back of your throat and your voice is off. If you say the k sound, your tongue is touching the back of your throat. What about if we say the g sound? Notice that your voice is on for the g sound, but your voice is off when you say the k sound. We're going to play a thumbs up or a thumbs down game about the k sound. If it starts with the k sound, you're going to give me a thumbs up. And if it doesn't start with the k sound, you're going to give me a thumbs down. Are you ready to play? All right. What about the word cat? Yes, cat does start with the k sound. So that means that you should show me a thumbs up because cat starts with the k, 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 cat. Say it with me. K, k, cat. Very good job. What about the word mat? Does mat start with k? No, you should show me a thumbs down because mat does not start with the k. Mat starts with mm. Let's try some more. Are you ready? Ox. Does ox start with k? Yes or no? No. Ox does not start with the k sound. Ox starts with the ah sound. Cat. Does cat start with k? Yes or no? Yes, cat does start with the k sound. K, k, cat. Let's try another one. Mat. Does mat start with k? Yes or no? No, mat does not start with the k sound. Mat starts with mm. Cow. Does cow start with the k sound? Yes or no? Yes, cow does start with the k sound. K, k, cow. It starts with the k sound. Very good. What about the word candy? Does candy start with the k sound? Yes or no? Yes, candy starts with the k sound. K, k, candy. What about the word olive? Does olive start with k? Yes or no? No, olive does not start with the k sound. Olive starts with ah. Sit. Does sit start with the k sound? Yes or no? No. Sit starts with the s sound. What about the word rock? Does rock start with k? Yes or no? No. Rock starts with but rock does have the k sound at the end of the word. Listen again. Rock. Did you hear the k sound at the end? Me too. Let's try one more sound. Car. Does car start with the k sound? Yes or no? Yes, it does start with the k sound. K, k, car. Awesome job. Seeing and reviewing the k sound. I'll see you next time.